What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Street Scenes with J Ray. My name's John and I'm your host. In today's video, we are diving into our 2024 Subaru WRX VB TR, built by private label manufacturer PLM. In today's video, we're going to talk about how Subaru should have made the WRX VB and also the WRX VB TR platform. And also, we're going to show you guys the transformation of our 2024 Subaru WRX VB TR. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate.
We first got this back in May of 2024. I immediately saw the cladding part, which are the trims, the black trims. That's what I meant about cladding. Not even a few days of owning this car, sent this right away to our good friends here in Daly City, California, a local paint shop. We asked you guys help us paint match the trims, the black trims. This is how it went. Here's a Subaru WRX TR. So the plan is for today, we're gonna have this trimmed out, painted. We're gonna paint match this, the black trim, the blue one. So this box that we have here, this is our wing. So shout out to Import Image Racing, all the way from Florida. You guys are the best, Josh. We can't wait to get this mounted. So I'm pretty sure they're also gonna mount this thing on. See all these black trims right here? We're gonna paint match that to blue. This right here as well. This one right here. And this one right here as well. So everything's gonna be a lot of blues. Pretty excited about this, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so we are back again here at Auto Body and Paint, Daly City. We are picking up our WRX today, and I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, I'm already seeing it right now. All right, guys, here you go. This is our new paint match Subaru WRX TR. This is crazy. So you guys remember, this trim right here used to be black. That one right there is black too, the skirts, and also the back. Now we have taken care of that. We paint match it. Just look how nice that is, you guys. Ooh. You guys, that looks super nice, bro. So you guys can see, this is also painted up blue. Look at that finish. Wow, definitely looks nice. The front end is, oh man, the front end definitely looks good. So we took care of the black trims, like I said. This one's rated blue. This one, we had to leave this black, and that way not everything's blue, but that one looks good. That's crazy. So we waited a week to get the car back from the repaint. It was a lovely and a better progress. However, we did not want to rock with the same wheels and also with the same suspension. You guys know what we did? Well, check this out. This is how we did it. So we got Silver's Neomax coilovers for the Subaru WRX TR. Shout out to our partner Import Image Racing and also Josh for hooking us up. We got a massive makeover for the Subaru WRX TR, you guys, so make sure to stay tuned. We got some new wheels, we got some new tires, we also got some new wing. But we got the Senza RE71 RSs, so you know, we're gonna go with the top one, man. So we're gonna mount the wheels later on. Here we go. These are the wheels that we have. You guys are gonna see what we have later on. So. All right, Nate, so tell me how low should we go for this WRX, man?
I don't know, we could dump it like my car, like where it's like tucking just the top of the tire.
Should we?
I don't think these coilovers can go that low, but I'll probably go like, at least drop it to like 2 inches.
So like 2 inches?
I'll do 2 inches.
Yeah, I think 2 inches is fine, because you did mention just to close out the gap a little bit.
Yeah, just above the tire.
Like functional one. I think that'll work.
We have finally put on the new tires and new wheels. Okay, so these are the wheels that we decided to go with.
Whew. So we got a T37 SL magnesium blue. Now I know we have blue, but dude, blue and blue. This fitment is about to be insane, bro. Oh man. Let's see that meaty tires, man, real quick.
For the what size? These are 245,
40,
19, no 18.
What are we at? 245s in the rear?
All around.
All around? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the version 1 of our WRX TR. Oh my goodness, just look at that. Woo! Now, after doing the wheels, we went ahead and installed our very first PLM product for the WRX VB. And this was the 3-piece front lip. Yes, you guys heard that right. We have our PLM WRX VB 3-piece carbon fiber front lip for this platform. And this was the first thing we did. Obviously, you can get that good aero look. Pretty sturdy, guys. Check this out. If you're looking for something aggressive, carbon fiber obviously, and it gives you that aero. What are you guys waiting for? Everything is all going to be underneath the description too. After putting on the PLM 3-piece carbon fiber front lip, finally went and tackled the performance side. First performance mod we did here at PLM for the WRX VB was the downpipe J-pipe. Yes, we got our PLM WRX downpipe J-pipe on. We replaced the stock one. We have a PLM catted downpipe J-pipe since we did not want to go with catless because catless in California is kind of a B. And after this, we went ahead with our PLM WRX axle back. If you want your car to be real loud, sounding good, wake your neighbors up, obviously wake your WRX up, even wake your family up. If you have a PLM WRX axle back, it will definitely give you that tone. Sometimes it will even give you that pops, man. So after that axle back, we went ahead and installed our PLM non-resonated mid-pipe. This mid-pipe kit definitely completes the whole exhaust kit here at PLM. This will give you a lot of noise, a lot of power. Obviously, if you want to tune the car later on. All our performance mods here are 304 stainless and our direct bolt-on. After installing our mid-pipe kit, we went ahead and installed our very own PLM equal length headers. Subaru guys may say, what? Why are you guys going with equal length? Why aren't you guys doing unequal length? Well, the reason why is because unequal length headers could also harm your motor, you know, immediately, if that makes sense. I've seen a lot of Subaru friends of my own that have told me, yes, they do sound good. The Subaru rumbles right there. It gives you power. However, it's actually harming, or it's actually hurting your motor. For some reason, I don't know what it is. I mean, if you guys know what it is, comment down below. In equal length headers, you're not going to be harming your motor. It will not give you that Subaru rumble, but it can still give you some big power. I mean, I'm not saying we don't want that Subaru rumble, but we don't want our FA24 motor to be hurting, you know. We want our motor to be healthy as much as possible and could also run long term with all these bolt-ons that we have. Moving forward, it's probably one of my favorite bolt-on part that we have here at PLM. It's called the PLM P660 upgraded turbo, or upgrade turbo. For us, we have a boosted car right here. This is a turbo, so we replaced stock 44mm turbo that Subaru came with, and we replaced with our very own. This is a 54. On top of that, this is also a direct OEM bolt-on, so you don't have to do any modifications at all. And on top of that, it's also pretty affordable. It's only $3,000, guys, so it's definitely affordable. And on top of that, we have this in stock. So a couple things we added in our catalog. We have the PLM WRX VB 3-piece carbon fiber rear diffuser. Looks real good in the back. It's also easier to install. You don't even have to jack the car up. You want something real aggressive for your WRX VB rear diffuser, this is it, guys. It will definitely match up if you have the SCI wing as well. We have the side skirts too. I would say this is the least favorite I have. You can still tell that side skirt's still there, but other than that, it's nothing crazy or nothing aggressive. So we're gonna talk about the cooling right now. A lot of you guys might even say, John, you guys are doing all these performance mods. Have you guys done the cooling actually? So as you guys can see, we do not have the top mount intercooler here. What we did was we took out our top mount intercooler and we replaced it, we upgraded it with our very own PLM front mount intercooler, and this is also billet. We did not just install all these bolt-on parts for nothing or for the sound. We have a goal to hit 500 horsepower in our WRX VB TR. I'm really sorry about this random clip, guys, but I've totally forgot to mention what tuner we have. So we are currently tuned by COD Tuning, and also we have a custom tuner named by Felix Performance, and we also have another one right now which is named Mike and Tune. I just want to fast forward the process here. So for the past few months, we've done a lot of dyno tuning with all the bolt-on parts that we've mentioned in this video, and also the cooling system. The highest one that we've got was 340 horsepower, and it's insane because the car does not even feel like 340 horsepower. I know about this is because I had an M4. My BMW M4 pushed 500 horsepower, and I could literally feel the difference. The WRX feels way faster than the 340 horsepower. We also have a Dynapack at work. We have a Dynapack dyno, which also reads a little bit lower, but other than that, really, we could be pushing around 400, maybe low 400s. Moving forward, we were told that we needed a fuel system. That's the only thing that we're missing out right now. So we already have a few parts for the fuel system that we ordered. We're only waiting for 2. As soon as we receive these parts, we're gonna send this over to one of our local shops here that we can partner with, have them install the fuel system. We get another custom tune from Mikey Tuned. We're most likely gonna put a full E85 in the car, dump it in, strap it on the dyno, and see how much power we're gonna make. Hopefully we're gonna make 500 horsepower that time. I believe we're gonna make 500 horsepower. Anyways, going back to the video. On the road, this WRX VB TR feels super right. It's predictable, exactly what a modern WRX should be, or not a loud clunky project that you see on the streets, man. This is something that you can actually slow daily and enjoy it on the weekends, on the track or on the back roads. Not every WRX VB build needs to have a wide body or a 600 horsepower. Sometimes the cleanest builds are just the ones that feels right, you know? This WRX VB definitely proves that. If you guys made it to this part of this video, I appreciate y'all so much for supporting and giving so much love. We recently picked up a project car for the brand, which is the 1996 Honda Civic EK hatchback, and we have a lot of things to be done with that. I've already reached out to some of their partners, potential partners, and we have a lot of parts coming out too, guys. So make sure to stay tuned on that one. If you enjoyed Subaru builds or EJs, FA motors, or any kind of the WRX SCI platforms, much love, much respect for Subaru. Do me a favor, smash that like button down below and also subscribe for more Street Scenes with J Ray episodes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and God bless.